Hi friends, today we are discussing about wind turbine blades. Wind turbine blades plays very important role in the wind turbine operations. Let's look into the parts and operation of the wind turbine blades. Here in the display, one equation is shown, that is P is equal to half CA rho V cube. This equation is called wind power equation. Here we can see A is the area, rho is the air density, V is the wind velocity. So P is directly proportional to safety area. The safety area is directly proportional to the length of the blade. So we can tell the power derived from a wind turbine is directly proportional to the length of the blade. So the blade plays a very important role in the wind turbine operation. Let's look at the parts of the blade. So here we can see the root part of the blade. The root part of the blade is thick and it is attached to many hardwares. This will help the blade to attach with the hub. So if we are looking at the tip of the blade, there is one profile is attached, that is aluminum profile, which collect the light energy whenever the lightning happened. So this aluminum profile is attached with the earthing through a wire which is lying along with the blade. If you are looking at the other parts of the blade, the leading edge and the trailing edge are very important. Leading edge are the edge which lead while a blade rotates. The trailing edge are the edge which trail when the blade rotates. And if you are looking at the cross sectional, if you are looking at the cross sectional area of the blade, we can see here the leading edge at the thick part is a leading edge and the trailing edge are the at the thin part. So in the cross sectional area, two webs are attached, so it gives mechanical strength to the blade. And main laminations, two laminations are there. Okay, two laminations here. If you are seeing here the cross sectional area, we can see the main lamination, webs and sandwich materials, and trailing edge. The thin part is trailing edge and the thick part is the leading edge. So these are the main components of the WTG blade. So here the turbine blade aerodynamics, we can see here how the blade works with the wind. So here the actual, you can see the actual wind direction and velocity. So with the actual wind, while rotating the blade, there another component of the wind will be derived here, that is rotational relative component. So the resultant wind, we can see the resultant wind means the apparent wind. Here the apparent wind is blowing in this direction, so the rotation, because of that one lift force and drag force will derived from there. And it depends upon the angle of attack. Hi friends, hope you understand the WTG blade parts. I know some of the limitations are there in the explanations. Please bear with me. So in the next videos we will be coming with more details.
Until then, bye bye.